What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can register into Suntrust Bank's online banking account. Now if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on with the video now, shall we? First step, search for Suntrust Bank online banking register and then click on the first link over here. It'll take you to this website. Over here, click on where it says Enroll in online banking. It will bring you to this website. Over here, you want to choose which option you want to use to begin your enrollment. Choose the one which you like, click on begin enrollment, and then it will ask you the information according to the option you chose. So just provide the information and click on next, and then it will ask you to set up a security for your account, and then it will show you all the services it's going to provide you. And then basically you should be able to register for Suntrust Bank's online banking account. It's that simple. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. See you guys next time. Bye bye.